we finished the wood that was brown to look like it was unpainted raw timbers that were weathered, and we put a stain on the bricks to make them look older. And we started the process of taking the brown gutter and turning it to look like a lead gutter. So we're trying to figure out the color scheme, and here I used sand entrained in an acrylic that was the color of the mortar to make it look like original unpainted stucco. So that's the project. This is Chris Muth signing off from Restoring Paradise. One job at a time, one house at a time. And you can see Bundagwasser is always here in the background. And here I was doing faux grain over wonderboard to make it look like wood, but it's cement, so it will never rot. So this is the cement board, and here it is installed, nailed with galvanized nails, and then you use the foam between the pieces. Then tomorrow it gets an acrylic thin set, and in the acrylic we use graining tools, these tools right here, and they produce a graining effect depending on the kind you use. So that's how we do it. This is Chris Muth signing off from Restoring Paradise, one job at a time, one house at a time.